Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cooking videos on this channel, and I also have a cleaning channel. If you are interested, please check it out. Eden at home. I will leave the link on the description box. Today a lot of you asking me to show you how to make dilligh without any alcohol, like traditional dilligh. So I will go ahead and show you how my mother used to do it back home. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Okay guys, when I make my dilligh, I like to use a lot of garlic, like about 2.5 cloves, and a big piece of ginger, 1 red onion, and korarima. First, I cut my onions in half and cook it with 2 cups of water in a separate pot. And while it's cooked, I like to cut my ginger in small pieces. That'll be easy for me to put it in a food processor. And I like to prepare my garlic ahead of time. I use smoothie maker to have a smooth garlic, ginger, and onions mixture. After the garlic and ginger mixture done, add it into the berbere mixture and cut the onions to smaller pieces, add water and do the same. When you are done with the onions, you mix it with the berbere mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of korarima and mix it with water until the texture, a pasty texture. It's like the tomato paste texture, just like that. I like to mix the dilla with my hands, but today it's okay. I will use a wooden spoon to mix it. Add about half a cup of vegetable oil into the mixture. I like to keep my dilla into a glass jar. After I sealed my jar tight, I put it in a pantry for 7 days to marinate. After that, you can put it in a fridge or outside of the fridge, that's your choice. But I like to keep mine in a fridge. I hope hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.